That was a good hockey game and a great fight.
So, bonjour, es in den Elementarien vom Rat der Vier weitergeht mit Life is Strange. Wir haben ein bisschen mit der Erzfahrt, dem Victoria, haben eigentlich gebradelt, bin ein bisschen umgeschmiert, daneben Fahrrad, Kaschmir, Clover gehalten. Wir haben, was haben wir noch alles gemacht? Ein bisschen mit der Zeit gepittelt, mit Samuel kennengelernt, den Portier vom Dom, den kleinen Englischer, den für kleinen Mock hatten, sie bei uns im Dom gekommen. Foto, Memorial. Ich werde Antwort. Wow, guck mal da, diese kleine Foto mit dem Mauer und so. Voilà, da guck mal da gerade paar durch.
Man, Kristen and Fernando were so drunk hanging on the Fremont Troll.
Ja, die sieht cool aus. Eine schöne Mauer. Heißt das wunderschöne Wohnung, strenge geschnallt da durch. Was steht da auf dem Teppich? Keep calm and carry on. Oh, Freck.
Philip Lorca de Corsia, my man. I don't think I could take my camera to those places. Look at that shot. I love Julia Cameron's Victorian vibe. Talk about analog cameras. Ah, Dolly, what a fantastic eye. He could truly freeze time.
Mega genius. Look, sticky note.
Looks like Dana left me a little post-it note.
Hey girl, borrow your drive so I can watch some flicks while I study. If you need it back, just track me down in my room.
Great. Now I have to go get the flash drive from Dana's room. There's my poor laptop begging me to check. I am so addicted to this site. Look at these vintage beauties. Lauren makes me laugh. It's nice to feel like I already made a real friend here.
Thanks for email a copy of Jefferson's class notes. Okay, eclectic collection of TV, fucked up films. How a camera works. Wieso steht da mal? Die erklären, wie Futterbrett geht. LiS beschreiben.
One day I'll organize my film collection. One day I'll get an actual HD TV.
Ey, ich wollte mich schminken gucken, geht ja nicht. Ah.
If I'm not looking through a viewfinder, I'm looking through a window. Always looking.
Always looking. Always look on the bright side of life.
I'll miss going to the games with my dad. Go Thunderbirds.
Gitarre. Ja, spiel mal ein bisschen. Und so nicht mit der Flasche, aber sicher. Alles op engem kocht. Ja, voilà. Sang da ein bisschen dabei. Yeah. It's my photo memorial wall. And I'm going to get my flash drive from my friend's door. Wunderschön. Wunderschön. Es fehlt dann noch immer alles. Kleider.
I love that Mom sent me a fat box of chocolate coconut bites. It's not exactly pretty and pink, but no shits are given. I like my wardrobe.
Ja.
Looks like Dana left me a little post-it note.
Happy birthday, mother and father. Come on, go, get the flashlight. Spüche.
Hard to believe I'm 18. Do I look any older? Just more stressed.
Bam. Schau sie mir in der Gege, das im Futterbad. Das wäre so witzig. Jetzt hat das gespeichert. Wirklich. Oh, so null und nicht Strom. Turn it on. Ich meine den oh, das ist eine sticky note.
Warren even left me a little message with his flash drive.
To match
He's such a
may
goofball.
concern the cinematic contents of this flash drive of graphic life cultivation nature. You and your taste and eagerly await you in the cannibal holocaust in ultra vixens. Lohnt vergiss, wem sein Dom, ihr
You
müsst
can't get
Flashlight
out now,
sicher
Dana. So tell me the truth or rot in there.
Schmengen, du musst mal hin.
Welcome to the real drama queens of Blackwell.
Yeah.
So stupid.
Juliet looks like she's ready to throw down. Hey, Juliet.
Boom.
Is everything cool?
Oh yes, Max. I've locked Dana in the room because we're cool.
What did she do?
What didn't she do? Dana's been sexting with my boyfriend.
Don't let me out.
Ouch. How did you find out?
Why do you care? Why are you even asking me? You never talk, just zone out with your camera.
That's why I'm talking to you now.
What's my last name?
Mason.
Juliet Mason.
That was truly sad. Thanks for your concern, Max Caulfield.
Oops.
By the way, Juliet Watson.
Watson. Welcome. Up.
Ugh.
Hey, Juliet.
Speak.
Oh yes, Max.
We're cool.
Juliet, this is so stupid.
Juliet Watson, be nice.
Juliet Watson, you be nice.
You are ridiculous.
I'm flattered. I didn't even think you knew my name at all.
Of course I do.
Thanks. I locked Dana in because she was sexting Zach, my boyfriend. Unbelievable.
If you
Tja,
don't
dat
let
möchte
me
ich
out,
einfach
I will
nicht.
scream.
Would Dana do that?
Would Dana do that?
According to Victoria, Dana would do anything to date a quarterback.
According to Victoria. Huh.
She saw the sext. And Zachary won't answer his phone. Once Dana admits it, she can go.
Oh, bestimmt
Straight to hell.
Spielschule oder was?
Max, I swear
Huh?
I didn't do anything. But I bet Victoria did. I know the proof is in her room.
Leave me alone, Max. Get a clue.
So get mal
Dana's
mehr.
still a cheerleader at heart.
Shit. Stuff's nice. Ja, ich bin ein Foto geholt. Jupp. Oder David steht lo. Vielleicht muss ich eine Gerase haben. I need proof Dana's innocent. Victoria singen. Wo wohnt Victoria? Slate.
Is this a Vortex Club or a Victoria Club initiation? Truly pathetic.
Taylor is a slave.
As if. Juliet, extreme reporter.
Boy. Wo der David wohnt dat? Slate, ne? Victoria's room. Okay. Da gehen wir und Beweise sichern und schnappen da gerade an dem Moment kommt Victoria ran. Wow. Geil. Poster. Okay, ich gucke nicht irgendeine Chrome.
Victoria hates Rachel Amber this much? How insecure.
Wirklich?
Victoria is a
Tagebuch.
real Jefferson groupie.
Ne. Du. Jefferson. Laptop.
I'll give Victoria props for not posting my boom. This is the email I need to show Juliet. Now I have to print this fast and get the hell out of here.
So sad that you totally punked Julia and Dana just now. Huh. Du Dummsau. Du Dummsau. Egal was zählt. Print E-Mail. Schnell.
This better convince Juliet that Dana is innocent.
Ich ging alle gerne ein bisschen weiter wollen.
Is she going to get a 3D printer for her dorm room? Maybe I will join her posse.
If you get the money.
They should call this series Aloof. Cold and soulless.
Liz hat dann auch so.
At least she puts her photographs out there. Unlike me.
So, komm, schnell raus. Oh, hello Victoria. Oops. Sprint, 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 sprint.
Juliet,
E-Mail.
read this.
Haha.
Of course.
Voll rausgefallen. Bitch.
I'm an asshole. I'm sorry, Dana.
You are.
Oh, tust du mit
And
dem
I
Laden
hope
machen?
so. You really think I'd mess around with Zachary?
No, but I get stupid jealous. I owe you dinner. Still love me?
And you do my laundry.
Thanks, Max. You're like the Blackwell Ninja. Now let's see what Zach has to say about Victoria.
Jupp, was ist denn
You
denn?
set me
Du bist
free.
voll der BH raushängen,
Thank you.
ja.
Warren's flash drive is on my desk.
Yes, I need it. Give it to me.
Almost done. Get the flash drive and then I'll go see Warren.
Das haben wir alles voller Pöllen und so. Das wäre hart gewesen. Kann ich alle nicht
I
auf
can't
die
even
Suppe gehen.
imagine what life would be like being a cheerleader.
Ja, schon
Dana
schnell
takes her
für dich.
Blackwell spirit seriously.
Nee, aber wir brauchen schon Cheerleader. Take.
Must protect my precious so Max never has to chase it down again.
What? Ich will.
Ooh, Dana's Facebook wall is up and running. I shouldn't look. I better make sure everything is still in there. I think Warren forgot to hide the Party Buster folder. Not that I would open it no matter how
Oops.
tempting. I have my self-respect.
Ah, komm, da ging ich doch gucken. Used? Seht ihr das?
Of course a popular cheerleader like Dana would have a million friends.
Fuck.
So
Ich würde sagen, mega
This is both
abfeiern, wenn es auf
sad
den Laptop geht.
and
Dana, I
pathetic.
suck at writing. But I thought I should write this so you might not hate Madame as forever. No, act like a tough jack around everybody. But I never had to act around you. I'm not the kind of man you deserve. You saw how I passed out. If you need any money, let me know. Du hast die Freundin also kauf.
it would be a cool
Super.
sticker without the words.
Mann.
Dana really does look stressed about all this. Hey, Dana.
Wenig.
Seriously, thanks again.
Erzähl
I
mir
can't
eine
believe
Geschichte.
Juliet locked me in my own room. Real mature.
Oh, Victoria's base. Who had a lot of base? Victoria.
Victoria is not nice. I don't get it. She has everything. And to pull that prank on a friend?
Just because they're in the Vortex Club doesn't mean they're BFFs. I'm in it, and Victoria creeps me out. Max, you're smart to be a loner here. Though Warren obviously likes hanging with you.
Yeah, Ron is cool. What do you
What
mean?
do you mean?
Does he like
Oh,
me?
nothing. When you open the flash drive, didn't you see the special folder called Max?
Yeah, okay. I gotcha.
Oh. Oh. Hatte ich nicht abgepasst? Flash Drive?
I better make sure everything is
Nice.
still in there.
Wow.
I think Warren forgot to hide the Party Buster folder. Not that I would open it no matter how tempting.
Da gehen wir da muss
I have
schnell
my
hinchecken,
self-respect.
oder? Was mir überlegen? Hi, Max Room. Use the laptop. Laptop. Flash drive.
I better make sure everything is still in there. I think
Oh, I
Warren
should've just
forgot to
defaulted.
hide the Party
Gucken.
Buster folder. Not that I would open it no matter how tempting.
Have to meet up with
I have my
Warren in
self-respect.
the parking lot. Wir machen wir so schön fein up the way. Be the change you wish to see. Gandhi. Coolen Typ, der Gandhi. Oh, was ein cooler Typ. You're so cool. Ja, bla bla, so steht im Campus, Mädchen verloren gegangen, hängt überall. Oh, oh, Warren. Witzig, witzig. Da komm, geh mal bei die Garage. Und ich ging so in dem Moment, wo ich the Warren und der Wehren begegnen, haben sie sich für die nächste Karriere.
Ow!
Oh!
Damn,
Wünsch
I better
mir schönen
rewind.
Abend. Vielmals merci. Bis dann. Ciao, ciao. Oder sollen wir das doch noch schnell machen? Machen wir das noch. So, ist du noch Scheiß. Ne?
Fuck this shit.
Ow! That
Oh.
hurt!
Danke. Schnell, schnell, schnell. Hey, hey Zachary.
Get lost, hipster. I'm not doing any interviews.
Mhm,
Fuck
und
this
zerschießt die
shit.
Ball aber.
Ow!
Na gut, da geht es halt
That
nicht.
hurt.
Merci für nur gucken. Bis demnächst. Ciao, ciao.